He's been doing really good about staying on the trail, but I know he really wants to go down there in the weeds and use his nose. At least he slowed down a little bit, man. And he's got his sunblock on. Oh. So, I've got my pedometer thing turned on my phone, so we'll see how far we walk. I always worry that he's gonna get too tired before I can get him back. But he always makes it. Oh man, so we've been walking quite a bit, and I'm okay with walking along here. Actually, I'm seeing swirls in the water. I don't know what they are. But this crazy girl keeps getting in there. Well, sorry, he's pulling on me. I'm going to start using that one thing that I have that you wrap, that you can click to your waist and then attach your dog leash to it, and then you'll have both hands free. As I was saying, I don't mind walking past this stuff as long as I don't see any dead bodies. There's some Canadian geese up there. He's probably going to want to chase them. What was that? Wow, that was a swirl. I bet there's fish in here, but you probably would play hell trying to snag one without getting a bunch of gunk caught up in your hook too. But there's quite a few Canadian geese down here. We're almost done with this walk. Well, so talk to you guys later. Wow, dude, that's the first time I've heard you bark. Wow. You're going to try. That's a little deep there. Don't try to go in after him. Wow. First time I heard you bark. Dang. Yeah, they're a little upset. And there's one by itself. You're not going to bark at them? I was going to try to get you barking again. Get the sound of it. Ooh, there's a white heron over there. Yeah. Stop. Oh, I swear. Okay. Okay. You guys knock it off. Huh. I don't know if they can get down there. The road might be flooded. You think the road's flooded up there? Oh, man. Yes, I'm out of breath. Okay. Don't need to say anything about it. I think my troll has moved on anyway. Oh yeah, that road looks flooded back there. Okay. Yep. So I think those guys work way out there. And they got a boat. And I guess that's the only way they can get back and forth. Okay. No wonder they're down here. I just saw a whole school of little minnows, little baby fish. So they're down here eating. Whoa. I'm trying to get these dogs back up to the car. Oh my God, okay. Well, there's some Canadian geese not too far from the banks down there. I'd really love to get him. I didn't get him barking. Didn't start it soon enough. I really want to get the sound of his bark on the video. Darn, dude. Yeah, I'd say you're getting a little bit tired and hot. Whoa. Well, I know where the car is. You ready to go? Dang, dude. Okay. Let me see if I can get you up and get going. I guess this is a front loader, but he's coming up the road. I can't tell from here, but he might have workers in there, and that's how they're getting back and forth. So that's not very deep there. Pretty cool. And ma'am, get out of that water. We're going to be headed up toward the van. See if we make it. So I just saw a couple of those Canadian geese have babies already. They're swimming with them in the water. That's too far away for you guys to see, but yeah. And I can't tell how many they have. I think it's 3 or 4. Oh, lots of red-winged blackbirds out here. Hey, dude. Okay, so this is where we started out, and this is where we're parked. So we're gonna head on up there, and have a nice day, y'all. Go for a walk, do something. These dogs keep me young. I'll be 63 at the end of this year, and I really enjoy going on these hikes, even at my age. So if I can do it, then y'all can get your butts up off the couch and go do something too. Just saying. Bye now.